Hello and welcome to the Zombie Pirate Mini Golf 3D. This indoor, black-lit mini golf is located within 810 Bowling Alley. If that sounds familiar, it's in the Market Common area of Myrtle Beach, and it's a restaurant, bowling alley, bar, arcade, and milkshake shop, of all things. And it also happens to have a mini golf. This mini golf, the Pirate, Zombie Pirate to be exact, 3D mini golf. It is a very straightforward, short mini golf course, as you can see as we're showing the holes here. They're not very long, they're not very complicated, but they are heavily themed with, I guess we'll call it graffiti style artwork on the walls that is lit by black light. So it makes it very unique. There's not a lot of courses like this in the area. Now to play a round of golf here, it's going to cost you $8. Now that $8 is going to get you a ball, a golf club, and you're supposed to get 3D glasses that make the course look three-dimensional. Now, when we played this course, we were not given the 3D glasses. We were not told of the 3D aspect. It wasn't until we were exiting the course and we saw the big bin that said, "Put your 3D glasses here," that we knew that the glasses had something to do with it. So I'm going to just throw that out there when it comes to the customer service aspect of this mini golf. With that out of the way, you could see that there's a ongoing theme here of barrels and boxes and ghouls on the walls, all fairly unique, fairly interesting in my opinion. It definitely gets a thumbs up on the aesthetic side of the course. The aesthetics kind of get broken though due to the audio issues in this course. Now, we are in 810 Bowling Alley and there is no ceiling to this space. This is just a segmented wall that separates the mini golf from the bar and bowling alley. So as you're playing your mini golf, you hear the bowling pins, you hear the bar TVs. At this time when we were playing, they were blasting the news, which is the last thing I want to hear while playing mini golf right now. So keep that in mind that the theme kind of gets broken by the ambient sound effects around you. The holes themselves, as mentioned earlier, are short, not very long, not too complicated, but I will say the space was utilized very well for each hole. They might not have been ornate or very complicated with multiple steps like some mini golf courses have around here, but they were unique. Each one was its own unique hole, and I appreciated that. One of the coolest aspects of the course is actually one of the most frustrating things about it. It's dark, it's black lit, and as I'm watching this video back, the video shows it much brighter than what the actual space looks like with the naked eye. So things glow, it's cool, whatnot, but it's so dark on the green, which is black in this situation. It's so dark on the greens that sometimes you don't see when the grades slope up or slope down. So you may be thinking it's a flat space, but then your ball just stops and rolls back at you. Things like that. So keep that in mind if you're playing this. Really look at the greens. And going back to the artwork, I'm not sure who they commissioned for the graffiti style art on the walls, but they did a really good job. So big thumbs up on that. I'm a huge fan of murals and this kind of artwork, so I enjoyed it. As you would expect from a segment of an old Piggly Wiggly, that's what this building was originally. The course is kind of a down and back. It doesn't take up a lot of space. I could imagine that if there was lots of people in here, it would get very loud and very claustrophobic. When we attended, it was first thing in the morning. We were the first ones in here, so that's why it's completely empty. I don't know if this is the typical scenario of this course, but just keep that in mind. If it gets busy in here, it's going to get a little frantic. So the visuals are really cool in here. There's no other place around that I know of that has this black light theme. It's a little cramped, it's a little noisy. So I'm going to take all this into consideration and the $8 fee to play, and the fact we didn't get our 3D glasses when we played. I'm going to give this course a 2 golf balls out of 5. A lot of potential here. Maybe it would have got a half a golf ball if I had my 3D glasses. All this in mind, all that being said, I don't regret coming here. I enjoyed my time here, but I probably won't be coming back anytime soon. Thank you for joining me on this excursion to the Zombie Pirate 3D Mini Golf located in the 810 Bowling Alley at Market Common. If you like this video, check out the other mini golf reviews or any of the other Myrtle Beach videos found on the Myrtle Beach Things channel. Check the description down below. Plenty of playlists, hundreds of videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? Click the button, subscribe. You'll see the new stuff that comes out. So, until next time, everybody, take it easy.